Today's episode is 30's reaction to 50's Hoyu snore gets replaced with number block 63 snore, and this video has been requested by Choni Wangmo. Enjoy the video.
Hey ya fellas, this is 30. I'm going to do a reaction video on 50's Hoyu snore gets replaced with number block 63's snore, but she's still doing the npa, which is so abysmal. But anyways, let's stand by to the reaction. Not that sound again. I bet you're going with that snore sound again. This would suck. Well, thank gosh that video successfully ended. Bruh, I can't stand number block 63's snore anymore. Anyways, stay tuned for episode 112.